Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the EMA NVIDIA Omniverse connector. In this part of the tutorial, you will learn which requirements there are for the usage of the connector and how the setup works. To use the EMA NVIDIA Omniverse connector, the EMA hardware requirements have to be met, which can be seen in the overview here. Additionally, an RTX graphics card is mandatory for the use of the Omniverse. In order to achieve an ideal performance, further specifications can be taken from the following link. Regarding the software, an EMA version from 2.3 is required in the Pro edition. In the other editions, an Omniverse module can be added. Additionally, you need the NVIDIA Omniverse launcher, which can be downloaded from the following link. Choose the standard version of the launcher here to get the free access to NVIDIA Omniverse. Now we will look at how to set up the EMA NVIDIA Omniverse connector. The first step is to install the Omniverse launcher you've just downloaded. Therefore, it's recommended to have local admin rights on your installation computer. For additional information on the installation process, please visit the NVIDIA website again under the following link. The second step is to install Omniverse Nucleus, which is the database and collaboration engine of Omniverse. To use the connector, it's absolutely essential to install a Nucleus server. For this, go to the tab Nucleus when the launcher is ready and install it on your individual workstation or use an enterprise Nucleus server or cloud service provider. We recommend installing a local server on localhost for testing and tryout purposes. Detailed instructions can be found under that link. If you need more help, feel free to check out NVIDIA's Nucleus tutorial. The last thing you need to do is to install the Omniverse USD Composer, which is formerly known as Create. Therefore, go to the tab Exchange and search for Composer. Make sure to install and use the right version 2022.3.3. With this, the setup is complete and we are at the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.